Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add your work address on Google Maps. So let's get right into it. Now, to do this on Google Maps, it's actually very easy. The same process applies to both the mobile version and the web version. I'll be using the web version to explain this, and once you change it on one, it'll be saved across the board, so you don't need to go and change it in other versions since it's a Google specific piece of information and it's tied to your account, not to Google Maps. So let me show you guys how that is done. Now on the PC version, you go into this menu in the top left, then go into your data and maps. That's going to open up a new window where you can scroll down, see your home and work addresses. Then you just click on work and set up your work address from there, and that is pretty much all there is to it. Now what you can do on the mobile version is you can access the same your data and maps menu, but you need to tap on your profile icon in the top right, and from there then you can actually start editing pretty much everything the same as you would on the PC version, and that is pretty much it. Now, as I've mentioned, you can use this same process once on one platform and it'll change across the board, so you don't need to do it multiple times. However, if you want to change the work address, you can do so freely on either version, and it is completely up to you. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to mention. You can do this through your Google account as well. You don't need to access Maps for this, and that's pretty much all that I would like to add. So you don't need to actually access Maps, you just need your Google account. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me not draw this out further. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.